Hi everyone, CC Summerfield here with your December market update and the last one of the year. As we wrap up 2025, I want to talk about this specific time of year, the holiday season. It's actually one of the smartest times to make a move, along with the latest numbers you need to know both nationally and here locally in San Diego. First, let's look at the big picture. Nationally, the market is finding a new rhythm. We're finally seeing the lock-in effect ease up, and the numbers are there to prove it. Active inventory has jumped nearly 13% compared to this time last year, giving buyers more choices than we've seen since 2019. This increased supply is slowing the pace of the market. Homes are now sitting for a median of 64 days nationally, which is about a week longer than we saw last year. That slower pace is great news for you as a buyer because it means less pressure and more time to decide. But the big story for December is mortgage rates. We haven't seen a month where mortgage rates haven't been in the stories. After starting the year above 7%, rates have settled in now at the low 6 range, hovering around 6.2 to 6.3%. This dip is a welcome holiday gift, giving buyers significantly more purchasing power than they had just a few months ago. Now let's zoom in on San Diego County. The November numbers show us that home values are actually rising, even as the pace slows down for the season. The market for single-family homes or detached houses has shifted into a new gear for the holidays. We currently have just over 2,800 active listings on the market, and in the last 30 days, we saw nearly 1,200 of them close. The headline here is price strength. Despite the seasonal slowdown, the median sales price has climbed from last month up to $1,031,500. However, patience is going to be key right now because the pace is definitely tapped the brakes. Homes are taking on an average of 36 days to sell, so both buyers and sellers should expect a slightly longer timeline than we saw earlier this year. Turning it over to condos and townhomes, the demand here is surprisingly robust. We currently have about 2,100 active listings, and interestingly, sales volume actually increased this month with 628 homes closing. Prices remain steady with a median sales price of $664,000, which is incredibly close to the median list price of $670,000. Just like the single-family market, the pace has settled down a bit, so you could expect that these properties are going to sit for an average of about 40 days before going into escrow. Why should you consider buying or selling right now in the middle of the holidays? Well, for buyers, December often is the hidden gem of the real estate calendar. While other buyers pause their search to celebrate, you face significantly less competition. That means fewer bidding wars and more negotiation power. Plus, sellers who list in December are usually highly motivated, often looking for close before the tax year ends, which can lead to better terms for you. For sellers, the myth is that you shouldn't list during the holidays. The reality? It's actually a fantastic time to stand out. With lower inventory, your home doesn't have to compete with as many neighbors, and holiday buyers are serious buyers. We don't see window shoppers in December. We see people who need to buy often due to job relocations or year-end deadlines. Plus, homes often look their absolute best when they're staged with cozy, festive decor. So whether you're looking to snag a deal before the new year or you want to capture those serious holiday buyers, I'm here to help you strategize. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you a wonderful holiday season, and I hope to see you in 2026.